Hello and welcome. Now, in this video, we're going to watch course content that you have available to you inside of your GoHighLevel sub account. To do that, we're going to go to insiders.harperacademy.com. And assuming that you are already logged in, you will then come into your course area. And again, if you're an Ultimate Insider, you're going to see more tools available to you here on the right side menu. In order to watch those courses, what we're going to be most concerned about are going to be the memberships. When you click on the memberships, we're going to go to the courses. What we will then do is we will click on products. What you can do is you can go to any other courses. If you want to rename any of the courses, you can do that. For example, if you want to rename a course, so we're going to change this course name. What we will then do is to go to the course area. We will then click on the course. In order to watch the course, all you'll need to do is to click on the preview area. That'll bring you to a preview area, and you can begin to watch the videos one at a time. So for example, we can click on this video and we can then watch the course. Hello and welcome. Now, whether you are using the client timer inside of meetings, you can stop the video. And what you're doing right now is you are working through the experience that your customer will have. Now, Mark is Complete is not going to work in the preview mode, so you won't be able to do that here while you are watching it. So if you want to watch course content, you can do that by going into the course area and watching any other courses that you have available. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.